Hello friend, I am Ayush
And I am Anvisha.
We are from Goa.
And Goa capital is Panaji.
Goa is the smallest state of India.
Goa famous dish is fish curry.
It is found in 1543.
Thank you. Hello, we are from Gujarat. Our state is Gandhinagar. Our special food is dhokla and with chutney and dosa. Thank you.
Hello friends. My name is Samir Dhara.
And I am Satyavati Sahu. We are Punjabi.
Punjabi. The famous dish of Punjabi is
Roti. And the famous drinks of Punjab is lassi and milk. अरे भंगड़ा
हमें आ रही है पिछवाली
Hi everyone. My name is Saurabh Kumar Sharma. My name is Samsara Agarwal. I am from Mumbai. My language is English. Thank you.
ऐसे थोड़ा स्कर्ट को ऐसे कर दो
Hello friends. We are from Gujarat and my name is Prakriti Prajoshi and my name is Purvi Panda. We love our country and we love our state. Our special dish is dhokla with chutney and our capital is Gandhinagar. Thank you. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूँ जीना, मैं हूँ गीतांजलि, मैं हूँ अंचल. We are from Odisha. अपन माने अमर बस्ती ओडिया रखे आसी करी पखाल साग में खेला तो कौन खेला. Hello friends, we are from Kashmir. Today we are going to tell some details about Kashmir, like its famous dish, its folk dance, and where it is located in India. The famous dish of Kashmir is dum aloo, and the folk dance of Kashmir is bacha nagma. And the capital of Kashmir is Srinagar. The Kashmir located in the India is in the north side of India. Thank you. Selfie.
पहले भी होती है।
ये नहीं